Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you a tutorial on how to fix PS2 controller buttons not working. So I've got a tutorial pulled up for you in order to explain it easily. So we're going to disassemble our controller and figure out if maybe it is cluttered with some garbage inside of it. And basically the steps to perform to get to those actual parts that we need to clean to make sure that our buttons work are going to be, of course, unscrewing the screws from the bottom of the controller. You can use this screwdriver or any similar one that you have in your house. After that, open up the actual back plate. Remove the screw holding the circuit board in place as well. It's going to be located right over here in the bottom. After that, the step 4 is going to be removing the circuit board from the front cover of the controller. And now basically, depending on what kind of buttons you have not working, this is actually the most important step. So as you can see, we have rubber pads, these black ones. So if these are cluttered with some stuff, you need to basically clean them. And as you can see, all of your buttons, including this, this is the start, this is the select, and the D-pad as well. As you can see, the green D-pad, it also has those black pads, rubber pads. If you've got any debris or clutter in there, make sure to clear it out. You can also use something like alcohol to clean them out carefully. After that, basically reassemble the controller and see if this helps. So to reassemble the controller, just basically perform all the previous steps, just vice versa. Screw back all of these screws with a screwdriver. Put the back plate in. Don't forget to put the motherboard in as well before that. And yeah, basically, hopefully this will fix your issue. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.